Learn how to prepare an apple pie that melts in your mouth. Perfect and easy recipe. For this recipe, we are going to be cutting 4 apples. I will be removing the seed from them, and then cut it into slices like this. And folks, this pie looks amazing. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it, because it's perfect. Now I'm going to be putting a lemon on top right. The apple and spreading very well. In a form I will be greasing with a little butter. Adding the apple. And now putting some cinnamon powder. In a container, I will add 180 grams of wheat flour, 270 grams of sugar, a spoon of baking powder, and I will mix very well. And people are already commenting to me. What city are you watching us from? I'll send you a super special hug for every one of you who is commenting. I'm going to add it now over the apple like this. I will add it now in another container. 3 eggs. Mix these eggs very well. Add 100 grams of melted butter. And hit very well. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to Emily from Miami. Thank you so much for always being with us. I appreciate it immensely. I will now add the beaten eggs on top. And now I'm going to make a little mixture with sugar. And also with a little cinnamon powder. Now just mix these ingredients very well, and put it on top of our pie like this. Very easy and very practical. Let's bake at 352 degrees for 40 minutes. And our pie was ready, and it was super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.